whatever they're doing today sort of builds for the future. And going into that path basically gives me that insight. Normally there are three layers, right? There's a technology layer, which is pure core technology. Then you have the business layer. And finally now, today, what's coming up big is the data-driven enterprise, right? Like to me, this is the way I would see them. In the next few years, the companies will have to define how would we be able to take the data and make it useful. I could talk to many people. Like I thought before new AI, but now I could explain to them what is true AI. Even if with an engineering background, I thought it was a black box, right? And now it's not a black box. Because they had the background, they are in that world of using it, right? So like they could bring that understanding to us and we could talk to them. And once you understand the topic, it is easy. With the mentor, you can ask immediately, right? So this is a problem. And so I think that was one good way of enforcing me to follow a routine. Like I'm not a structured person, so I had to force myself to follow that concept. And the one I liked a lot was more in the artificial neural network. I'm still amazed with it. I still am reading lots of paper on how in the end it is actually, let's say, coming to that conclusion, which is where I think the world is also going, right? If you look at DeepMind, that's also based on those sort of concepts, right? Be structured and don't think that it's too big a topic that you can't understand it. You need to also read more papers, and then you can every time go back to your mentor or to the support system to ask, okay, that paper, does it really make sense or not? To me, the support system was key, plus having a mentor, having a coordination manager, those sort of concepts. And I didn't find that in many of the other ones. If you're working, you're balancing your work, your family, and studying. And then this sort of thing really helps you through, right?